Unbelievable. Uzodinma is almost embarrassed and chased out of Abuja before returning to Imo. Uzodinma will always embarrass himself. He will always embarrass himself because he has made Abuja his next home. He stormed Abuja like who is storming his backyard. Like who is going into the bathroom. I don't know what he sees in the president. I don't know the favor that he is looking for. Any little thing, he takes the issue of Imo to the president. And that very one keep advising him and making him to develop hatred for his own people. And I know that is one of the reasons why he almost turned Imo State to an Islamic state. Yes, now, Uzodinma almost turned Imo to an Islamic state. When he came into power, the first thing that Uzodinma did was to, first of all, inaugurate an emir in Imo, something that has never been done before in the history of Southeast. Uzodinma did it in Imo. All the things that is happening in the Southeast as we speak today, Uzodinma is the initiator. He is the initiator of deployment of soldiers in the Southeast. He is the initiator of the bringing in of Fulani herdsmen in the Southeast. He was the first person to take land belonging to Easterners and gave it to herdsmen for cattle market. What has he not done? Uzodinma has done too many things. And that is why you see that the people are now coming after him and now attacking him and not challenging him. Nobody want to hear anything because he has overdone. Uzodinma has overdone. Yes. So what they are doing to him now is what serves him right. He deserves it. He has overdone. You understand? So in this very broadcast, he tried as much as he could to save himself of the embarrassment because he was almost embarrassed. You hear that? He saved himself of the embarrassment of being chased out of Abuja by quickly returning back to Imo. That is why you saw him coming to Imo, but with anger. Hey, my dear viewers. Okay, this is what he says. After the identified gunmen attacked his country house, he left the state for almost 6 days, setting his house on fire and killing some of the security guards stationed there. The governor visits the governor of Abuja every weekend, and although the situation in the state is there, his problems have yet to be resolved. But he cancelled the important task of returning to the state. In a conversation with Verbatim News, correspondent Mercy Anele Nwangu revealed that he and several related Imolis had already started burning their plans to go to Abuja and protest, forcing Uzodinma to return to Imo. Ngo said, "It is very shameful that the so-called head of national security escaped first. We have started planning a raid on Abuja finding where he was trapped and protesting until he leaves Abuja and returns to Imo. Come back to avoid embarrassment, otherwise we would have been there on Monday." In Abuja, our poster has become the whole picture of the news, asking you not to be a coward anymore, but to live in an office. He claimed we gave it to him. If you want, you can go back to Nigeria with all your might. I see your fleet increasing. I personally believe that the killing of innocent citizens must stop. He is the one who invited the army to join Imo State. He must control them and find a solution to this problem without causing more casualties. That is it. You caused a problem, you ran away. You caused the problem is now coming to you, you left the problem and you ran away. So why are you running? Why the run? Why can't you face what you've started? Why can't you challenge what you've started? It is a war that you started, so you should be able to face it. You should be able to apprehend it. Yeah, you started it, so why are you running? Why are you running? To me, Uzodinma not supposed to run. He's not supposed to run. He's supposed to be able to face his fears. He's claiming to be strong and mighty. So why is he running now? This is what he caused with his own hands. This is a problem that he caused. So he should not be able to run. He shouldn't have run away. He should have waited. Look at what the people said. His posters were pasted everywhere. He would have waited to see the shame. He would have waited to see the shame. Because to me, I call it a big shame. It's a shame. A very big shame. Shameful thing. It's too shameful. Uzodinma is an embarrassment. See, look at what he has turned his own state to. A war zone. He really saved himself of that embarrassment. He really saved himself of that embarrassment. If not, he would have become a laughingstock. He would have become a laughingstock. And it's too disgraceful. Do you understand? It's too disgraceful and unexpected. So this is why we all need to be steadfast. You see, I keep telling people that in this very channel, opportunity are given for people to come out and air their views. Let's hear you. Let's hear what you have to say. What's your opinion? What do you feel like? Let's know. Do you understand? Let's know. So please, if you're new on this very channel, don't hesitate to come in and air your own opinion. Okay, click on the red subscribe button as well as the bell buttons to get updated each time we upload any new videos. Thank you.